Hello, hi.
Hello, hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
I'm doing very well too. How was your day coming along, Faryad?
It's going well, good, super. What about you?
Awesome. Yeah, it's going on fine. Just the usual stuff. And the weather also, it's pretty cloudy today. So I'm feeling so sleepy since morning. I just woke up
Okay.
and I'm like, oh God, I wish I could sleep for half an hour more. Does that happen with you also sometimes?
Yeah, it happens with me. And
Mhm.
by the way, happy Deepavali, but I'm little late.
That's all right. No, you're not late. Late for what? The session or for wishing me?
No, for wishing you.
Not at all. Your wishes have come on time. Thank you so much.
Okay, most welcome. So are
Fine.
you enjoying it?
Yes, absolutely. We've decorated our house, our balcony, and everything is all lighted up in the evening. So yeah, we're pretty much enjoying it.
Okay, that's good.
Yes. And what about your city? Is your city also completely illuminated, decked up in lights? How is the scene there?
Yeah, it's looking good,
Mhm.
amazing. People are celebrating, so that's good.
All right. And are firecrackers and all allowed in? I know that in many states these things have been banned. I know that. So what
Yeah, yeah.
about the situation in your town?
In my town, like it's
Mhm.
fine because
Mhm.
it's good. People
Okay.
are celebrating, but in
Mhm.
limit.
Okay. Good then. They are very conscious
Yeah.
of the environment and all. Fine. Very well. So Faria, tell me, where were you born and raised?
Okay. So actually, I was born and brought up in Bihar. Okay, in my
Okay.
village.
All
Yeah.
right.
So I was born and brought up there.
All right. And how many years did you spend there?
Almost, I can say I spent 17 years or 19 years over there.
Okay, 17 years.
Yeah.
And what is
I,
your yeah, sorry, continue.
yeah, I completed my schooling from
Hmm.
there. And after that, then I shifted to another city.
Okay, fine. And what has been your fondest memory of your childhood back in your village? Something that if you remember now, it still brings a nice smile to your face.
Yeah. So like I remember one incident
Hmm.
it happened with me when I was
Okay,
child. Okay, so that
okay.
time like I used to go to school with my
Hmm.
friends.
Hmm.
So one day what happened, my
Hmm.
friend, he was quite naughty than me.
Yeah.
So
Hmm.
like what happened, we one day we ran away from our school.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we went to watch a movie in a cinema hall. Okay,
All
so
right.
what happens, yeah, so because I have a shop, so my father
Hmm.
works over there in the
Okay.
market. So
Even
there were
now?
yeah, even now.
Oh,
So
wow.
like
Okay.
that day what happened, my father saw me, like,
Hmm.
I ran away from school and
Hmm.
they beated me very badly that day.
Oh, God.
Yeah. So after that day what happened,
Hmm.
I took a lesson and next
Hmm.
day I didn't run away from my school.
Okay. Tough love, huh? Your parents
Yeah.
exercised a little bit of tough love on you.
Yeah, and then he gave me biscuits and like
Mhm.
rupees 10 rupees, go
Mhm.
to home and go home.
Array, so sweet. This is something you remember. All right. And when you were
Yeah.
in school, what were some of the games that you really loved to play?
Okay. So when I was like
Mhm.
child, so I used to play Luka Chippy
Uh,
and many more games
mhm. Such as you can name them. Feel free
like
to
such
name all
as,
the games that you played.
okay. So
Mhm.
such as what to say, even I don't know the name of how to say in English.
That's okay. Luka Chupi is called as hide and seek.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Hide and seek. I forgot
Yeah.
that.
No worries. Yeah. And some games there is no English word. They are Indian games, right? Like kabaddi, lagori, and all that. They are Indian games, so there is no English word for it. That is the
Okay.
name of
Okay.
the sport. So what else
Okay.
did you like to play?
And kabaddi
Mm-hmm.
and like cricket also.
Mm-hmm.
And I
Okay.
used to also watch like cartoons, Motu Patlu, Chota Bheem.
Uh, okay. Okay. Fine.
Did you
So
watch Motu Patlu or Chota Bheem?
No, Chota Bheem, I think that was of a different generation, to be honest. I was quite, I was an older kid, like probably I was in my teenage when this Chota Bheem and all
Okay, okay.
had started to telecast. My cousin used to watch it, my younger brother. He
Okay.
always used to be glued to the TV screen because, as you're aware, Chota Bheem plays from morning till night. So I
Yeah.
don't know what is this obsession that one cartoon plays constantly. I have seen a lot of episodes though.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah. And were your parents, are you the only child or do you have siblings?
I am the only boy of my family, and I have
Mhm.
6 sisters.
Okay, you have six sisters. So you grew up in a pretty big family, right? Like full
Yeah,
house.
right.
Yeah. All right, fine. And among your siblings, yeah, who do you share? Are you like friends? Or is it like a Tom and Jerry sort of a relationship where you're constantly pulling each other's legs and troubling each other? How is it?
Yeah, it's like we are traveling each other, not with
Okay.
everyone. Like
Hmm.
one of my sister, like who is
Hmm.
older than me.
Yeah.
So yeah, so we always fight with each other.
Okay.
I don't know why it happens with me only. Like I always fight with her only.
Okay, you guys have a special equation. That's all.
Yeah.
All right, fine. And how are your parents? Were they very overprotective of you, or did they let you go out and have fun and just let you be? Or were they
Okay.
constantly worried about you?
Yeah. Okay. So my dad is like he
Mhm.
feel free about me. Like he
Mhm.
always say wherever you want to go, you can go alone,
Okay.
because he
Yeah.
always tells me like if you
Mhm.
go alone, so that time
Yeah.
you will understand how
Mhm.
things work, and
Mm.
you will observe. He never go
Mm.
with me, even like when
Mm.
I took admission in my college, in my coaching.
Yeah.
So they
Mhm.
never go over there. They only
Mhm.
gave me money, and they
Mhm.
say like whatever you want to do, just do, because then you will
Yeah.
understand. If I will go, so you cannot, I cannot always go with you.
Correct. Wow, that is such a good way to bring up your child, especially once they have reached a certain age. We should let them do stuff on their own, right? Especially these things, filling out forms for your institute, going to the bank. That's how they become independent. So yeah, great job there.
And when I was, I think, 40 or 15 years old, so
Yeah.
that time I was the only person in my village who traveled in
Mhm.
train alone.
Oh God. Okay.
Yeah.
So did
So
everyone look up to you?
yeah, yeah, of course. He said you are very much brave. Like you can go
Mhm.
anywhere alone. If you don't know the address, so how can
Mhm.
you manage that? So I
Mhm.
always tell about my father. All
Mhm.
credit goes to my father.
Okay, that's lovely, Faria. That's amazing, to be honest. Yeah. Okay. And when you were a kid, did you have any sort of a belief, like a superstitious belief or any silly belief that you completely, agreed with in your when you were a kid, but now when you think about it, you can laugh. For example, when we are kids, our adults tell us, right, if you eat a seed, a tree will grow inside of you, or
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right,
silly
right,
stuff like
right.
that. Were there any such beliefs that you had?
Yeah, I had believe in that thing what you
Mm-hmm.
told so
Mm-hmm.
about that. And like
Okay.
when I was kid, so I also believed in that, like
Mm-hmm.
ghost, about ghost.
Ah,
I
okay.
always,
Ghost.
I always, yeah, ghost. I always get scared
Mm-hmm.
about ghost. But now, like, I realize no, there is nothing like that such thing,
Mm-hmm.
ghost. And now I don't
Okay.
believe in that. Do you believe or not?
Yeah, yeah, I completely believe in ghosts. I don't want to challenge them. I don't want to say like I don't believe in you and they start, take it as a challenge. No thanks. I completely believe in ghosts.
Okay, okay.
Fine. I do believe in, good spirits and bad spirits. So I have complete faith in that because
Okay,
in
okay.
my village, there have been many incidents and we have experienced a few unexplainable things. Okay. So there's no logic to it, like why it happens, what it happens. It just does. And
Yeah.
since I've seen it firsthand, I cannot deny it. So that's the only reason.
Okay, okay. That's good. I
Yeah.
think science doesn't agree with that.
Yeah, but then science, yeah, science is very important when it comes to, human anatomy, medicine, education. Science is very important. But I feel that the universe is vast, okay? And science is not able to explain everything. So as humans, I feel like there is a limit to uh, what we know already, and there's a lot to be explored yet. So I believe in that. So that's one of the
Okay,
reasons why I believe in all these weird things.
okay, good.
Fine. And were you allowed to watch TV?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
You were? Okay. And did you
yeah.
have strict screen timings? It's only from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Or were you allowed to watch it anytime you wanted?
No, after after coming to school, you can
Yeah.
watch.
Okay.
Yeah, so this
I
was
could
my time.
watch.
Yeah,
Okay. After coming from school, I could watch.
yeah, I could watch.
Okay. Very well. And what was that one dish that you really loved to eat and you would pester your parents about preparing it for you?
Okay, so about now or when
Mm.
I was kid, so that time.
When you were a kid, about your childhood.
Okay, about my childhood. So
Yeah.
especially, I like sweets, especially
Okay.
sweet foods. I like very
Uh-huh.
much.
All right.
So I love all the sweet foods.
Mm-hmm.
So that time I used to
Mm-hmm.
take sweet foods only.
Okay. Desserts. You can say desserts instead of sweet foods.
Desserts. Yeah. Sweet.
Okay. What is the family specialty? Something that you guys prepare really well at your home.
Okay. So like it's biryani. I think you know.
Okay. Of course. Just when you say the name, the visual pops in front of my eyes like, okay, biryani.
Yeah.
All right. And what is that one dish or fruit or a vegetable that you hated eating as a child and even now you can't stand the sight of it?
Yeah, right, right. I have. So I don't like it. The
Hmm?
lady finger.
Lady's finger.
Lady's finger. Yes.
Okay, you don't like to eat lady's finger. Okay, it's also called as okra. You can say anything, okra or lady's finger.
Okay.
Yeah. Why don't you like bhindi? It's such a popular vegetable. No, I think it's most people's favorite. What don't you like about it?
I don't know. It's not about only now. Since my
Mhm.
childhood, I didn't like
Okay.
it.
Yeah, some things we cannot explain. We just have an instant aversion to it. Yeah, we don't know why, but just the sight of it makes us like, oh God, I don't want to eat this.
Yeah, right. Even my friends and my
Mhm.
relatives, they say like, I will cook with lady finger very well.
Mhm.
Then you can
Mhm.
eat. It will be very tasty. But I
Okay.
always said no. I don't like it. It doesn't matter
Okay.
how you make it.
Okay, that's not you, it's the vegetable itself.
Right,
Awesome.
right.
Okay. All right, Faryad, I get it. Okay. And quickly coming to the feedback, you have had significant improvement, so much of improvement in your fluency, in your sentence structures, in your grammar, in your vocabulary, everything. Okay. So I'm so happy to see that. And you're very confident also when you speak. I think that's a trait that you had since the beginning and always maintain that. Okay. Just quite a few corrections for you. The past tense of beat is beat only. Like he beat me. That's it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
I got it.
Or you can say he smacked me. Smack is another word for getting beating. That has a past tense, like smacked.
Okay.
Okay.
Or I can say I was beaten by my father.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Done. And he never go with me. So I want you to try it. What would be the
He
correct
never
form?
goes. He never goes with me.
Very good. Excellent. And one of my sister or one of, how
One
would
of
you
my
correct?
sisters.
Very true. Yes. I want you to just repeat it quite a few times so that your brain gets used to thinking this way. Whenever you say one of, automatically it will come out as one of my sisters, one of my brothers, like
Yes,
that.
right.
Okay. And whenever you talk about your childhood now, you say when I was child, when I was a child, when I was
When
a
was
child.
I? Yeah.
Yeah, just that article. So you know all the stuff. You just have to be a little more aware of it. That's all.
Okay. And I'm
Okay.
so happy like you gave me very positive feedback.
You deserve it. It's well deserved. That's why I give positive
And I
feedback.
think it happened only because of you.
That's so sweet of you to say that, but it's your hard work and your enthusiasm to learn and to grasp things, take the feedback properly and work on it. So yeah, uh, the credit goes to you according to me. It's your hard work.
Credit goes to both of us.
Yes, high five. Let's
Yeah,
share the credit.
of course.
Sure. Nice talking to you, Faria. Do you have any questions for me? Because I don't want the session to get disconnected immediately. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.
Yeah, of course. I have
Mhm.
question
Mhm.
related to you because I want to know you are my favorite tutor. So of
Oh.
course, I
Mhm.
want to know about you more and more.
Okay. Can you ask me a specific question? Otherwise, I fall short of words during introduction. What do you want to know?
Okay. So I want to know,
Mhm.
can you cook anything special?
Yeah, nothing special. The basic stuff I can manage. Special things I need the help of YouTube. I have to constantly see the video and do it.
Okay.
So I'm a complete amateur.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about your studies?
My studies have completed my bachelor's in engineering. Then I did my diploma in IELTS training, and yeah, I've been working as an IELTS trainer now.
Okay, so you are also an engineer. That's good.
Yes. So in India, it's like a formality, right? You have to become an engineer first, then you decide what you want to do with your life.
Right, true.
That's very common. All right, then. How much time do we have left? We have like 10 seconds. So, shall we
Oh,
wrap up the session?
yeah, of course.
All right. It was a
Thank
pleasure
you.
interacting with you. Have a nice day.
Same here. Have a great day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.